Yo, what's good, Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly, man. I'm back with another daggone video. All right, do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? It is time to start up Black Beauty. It's a windy day, of course. Those big old vultures. So this is what happens. They chew up the trash, and then yeah. So neighbors, if y'all watching this video, please throw your trash inside the trash can. Hey, blue girl, we gonna get you. We gonna get you nice, and you're gonna be breathing on Tuesday, hopefully Tuesday or Wednesday. Black Beauty, you need to be clean, girl. But today, y'all, I know I'm not gonna complete the video today, but I'm about to head to La Plata. About to go to Hydrographic. That's Hydrographic without the S. Well, East Coast Hydrographic, sorry. East Coast Hydrographic. And we're about to go get these emblems. We're about to get these emblems wrapped. All right. I'm pretty sure y'all know what the emblems are going to look like. Let me know. Comment down below what you think I'm going to paint the emblems. If I already told you, I already told you. If you remember and stuff like that, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, comment down below. Let me know what colors you think I'm about to get. You know, I'm trying to get something different for the back. But I actually kind of, let me show you real quick. I kind of like the back without any emblems. So I'm kind of like, do I even want to do this? Yes, I do. I'm going to do it. All right, I got to come back, get my car washed because I have a car meet. Have a meet and greet tomorrow. It's for my car club, but since I'm going to be there, Cars and Coffee, I'm going to go out there too. And I sent it to you guys, so after this video, I probably already seen you guys when y'all see this video. So yeah, all right, I'll see y'all when I'm going to Plata. All right, y'all, so I'm here, man, at the spot, about to get a thing. We was just discussing about underneath here, you know, so it's a working project. I ain't gonna give y'all too much of the detail or everything, but yeah, that's about to be legit, and it's about to be lit, and it's gonna be amazing. All right, just gonna let y'all know that right now. But I got Justin right here. Hey, let me know your information, man.
What's going on, boss? East Coast Hydrographics. You can find me on Instagram at East Coast Hydrographics.
Yeah.
I think we're the only one in Maryland, if not one of two or something
I think
like that.
so.
But I think we're the best in Maryland.
I think you're the best, man, because you know my car a little dirty right now, but you know they do the carbon fiber, and they do more too. Yeah, no, it's no problem, man. But yeah, I just dropped off my emblem, so we're gonna get this. What's that?
Well, surprise them.
Oh, we're gonna surprise them? Okay, yeah. I did say in the earlier video, I said I ain't gonna tell you what it is, but hopefully I didn't ruin it if I did say something, because I'm always talking, always rambling. But yeah, we're gonna get a nice surprise on that, man. So yeah, Justin's about to hook me up, get that done, and then we're gonna keep on modding, you know, the 300, getting her better every day, you know. So you want to say anything else, man? No, oh yeah, we got Charles right here. Y'all didn't see Charles. Charles got in the car with me.
I'm getting my stuff set up as well.
Yeah, so I had to bring him here, man. He wanted to see what the magic, you know, Justin was doing. So
you're doing good work out here.
No business, man.
I appreciate it, guys. You know,
oh, no problem, man. You do a good job.
Man, thank you so much.
Yeah.
And if you have any questions or anything, just give me a shout. You
Definitely,
can find me
man.
on the internet. You can find me on Instagram.
Cool.
Websites, eastcoasthydrographic.com.
Yep.
I think my stuff's in your bio. Anyway.
Oh yeah, it's in the bio, man. Hit him up, you know, cause he's there. I'm gonna go to him all the time because his work speaks for itself. Yeah, and he's a good dude too. So yeah.
That's right, man.
Yeah, man. So I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, so y'all know where I'm at now. I'm at Pro Wash, about to get my car done. Well, it's already done. No, I'm talking about to get it done. So y'all, getting it washed for tomorrow. At the Cars and Coffee, and also meet and greet for me. So if y'all want to, you know, if y'all already there, y'all gonna see this after the video. So shout out to everybody that came out, man. I know it's gonna be lit. Even if a few people come out, one person come out, it's all cool with me, bro. But it's all just about Mopar gang, you know, just going out and supporting my Mopar legacy, my squad, man. Cause you know, we got the best squad ever. So yeah, they about to wash her, man, get her all nice and clean, get her ready for tomorrow. And then yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. All right, Grizzly gang, I've been thinking, man. So I dropped my stuff off to get Hydro Dip, but do y'all want to see it on there? I think it look good all black. Y'all let me know. And think about when it get lowered, when it had the different rims and stuff like that. Just think like that right now. And I just waxed her up. So look, she had, and y'all know, y'all want, ooh, stutter. Y'all want to know what I use? So I use Royal Blue Wax. This is something that I found at one of the car shows in Ocean City, and it does what it says. Yeah, you see how clean it is? It wasn't looking like that just in a few, but I'm liking what it looks like without the emblem. But if y'all do want to see the emblem back on there, because I'm getting the carbon fiber and I'll get the S, you know. But if y'all want to see it just blank with nothing on there, let me know. Because if I do that, if I leave it blank, what I'm going to do is I'll give away the 300 and the S. I'll give it away to one of my subscribers. I'll just give it away, man, to one of y'all. Of course, you got to do some things to get in the drawings to getting it, but it's not gonna be hard. It's gonna be fairly easy. And I'm just looking at her, man. She's looking good. She's ready for tomorrow to meet and greet some of y'all and to be out there with my Mopar gang. But I don't know if I should raffle it. I don't know if I'll do a raffle or I just give it away. I like the first person that does this, boom, or the second person that, you know, something like that. That's how I'm gonna do mine. I ain't no big time YouTuber. I'll just ask you to do this, and if you do it, this person will win it, this person won't. But I'm liking the way it looks. Oh yeah, also y'all, the the stickers are coming. They're getting made and stuff like that. It's gonna take a little time, you know. I think they're not in the office right now, so it's just gonna take a little time, but that is still something I'm doing, is I'm gonna be selling those 300 gang stickers. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Dude, hey, my thing came in for my Mazda 3. That came in. So it's funny because they said it's gonna be here on Tuesday. It's what I ordered on Friday, and today is Saturday. I didn't pay for no next day shipping, but it came in the next day, you know. So hey, shout out to rockauto.com. Hey man, they got the fastest shipping I think right now, man. I don't know who else got the better part, but yeah, I got the what is this? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, it's the I think it's the hold on, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Hold on. What is it? It's the alright, it's the catalytic converter, you know, for my Mazda 3. So that's coming in. So hopefully we can get that done Monday. Alright. Alright, y'all. I started unboxing it, but I had to put it back for you guys so y'all can see. So we got Monty right there. I know y'all see her hands. She gonna help me unbox. Alright, so we got the part from my other. Hold on.
What are you doing?
I'm not trying to show them the things. I'm trying to make sure all my information is covered. So it was arranged to be here on the 15th. Is it the 15th? It's the 16th. No, I bought it on the 15th, and it's the 16th. See, that's what I'm saying. They did it so fast. Like, this is the fastest shipping. Oh, they gave us a little magnet. You see that? rockauto.com.
Glare.
Boop. Ain't no glare. All right, get out of the way. Thank you. Thank you, my beautiful assistant.
Lord.
Help me!
Pay.
No, you overpaid. Da-da-da. We got the assistant. The beautiful Monty. Your hands, I ain't gonna put you on the camera. I got you. I know you don't want to be in the camera right now. She camera shy, y'all. We just chilling in the house. Ooh, what I got? Hey! The catalytic converter. Look how beautiful it is. Go to my Mazda. So now the honeycomb. Oh yeah, got all the extra parts in there. Anything else in there, babe?
Nope.
All right, nothing else in the box. All right, so got a catalytic converter. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.